Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to my powerful method for growing a small account into something extraordinary. The compounding growth strategy. This approach is designed to turn consistent, small gains into massive account growth over time, without overtrading or taking unnecessary risks. What makes it so effective is the precise balance between position sizing, disciplined entries, and strict risk management, all working together like clockwork. Whether you're starting with just $250 or a few $1,000s, I'll show you exactly how to compound your profits step by step, so your account grows exponentially while your risk stays under control. We're going to go through real trade examples, break down the compounding plan, and even execute some live trades so you can see the strategy in action. So watch closely until the very end. Every detail matters if you want to master this method. And as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my future trading strategies, live sessions, and exclusive tips. Now, let's dive in and start building that account together. Okay. I'm taking a sell entry here because there's a clear crossover between the green and yellow lines on the moving average indicator. This crossover indicates a potential shift in price direction from an uptrend to a downtrend. In my strategy, a crossover like this is one of the strongest confirmation signals, especially when it aligns with the resistance area we've already identified. On top of that, the last candlestick formed a solid bearish body, which further strengthens my confidence to enter this sell position. Let's see how it plays out. And yes, profit secured. Now let's pull up the chart again, reanalyze the market conditions, and look for the next opportunity. Okay, right now, I can see the downtrend losing momentum, with the price moving sideways in the area we've been watching. The resistance level we marked earlier has been broken by a strong bullish candle. At the same time, the moving average indicator shows a signal line crossover to the upside, giving us extra confirmation that a new potential uptrend is forming. Let's see how it plays out. Profit secured. Now let's open the market again, reanalyze the conditions, and get ready for the next opportunity. Okay, I'm entering a sell position because there's a crossover on the MACD indicator, and at the same time, the moving average is also showing signs of an upcoming downward crossover. In addition, the red histogram on the MACD is getting larger, indicating that bearish momentum is strengthening. All these signals give strong confirmation that the price is likely to continue its decline. Let's see how it plays out. The price drops as expected. And yes, profit secured. Now let's open the market again, reanalyze the conditions, and look for the next opportunity. Okay, I'm entering a sell position because from this candle up to the most recent one, all of them have closed below the green line, which is currently acting as the trend line. This condition indicates that selling pressure is still very strong, so I'm choosing to follow the ongoing trend. With this strategy, we only take positions in the direction of the main trend to minimize risk and maximize profit potential. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, I'm entering a buy position because, as you can see, this is a resistance area that has been capping the price movement. Then a large green candle formed and broke through that resistance with a solid body. Based on my observation, this candle represents strong buying pressure, which makes it highly likely that the price will continue to rise. So I decided to take a buy position, riding this strong upward momentum. Let's see how it plays out. The price moves up just as expected, and yes, profit secured. Now let's open the market again, reanalyze the situation, and look for the next opportunity. Okay, I'm entering a sell position here because I can clearly see the price forming a sequence of lower highs and lower lows, which is a classic sign of a healthy downtrend. If we take a closer look, every time the price tries to push upward, the highs are lower than the previous highs and each drop creates a new lower low. In addition, the MACD indicator shows red histograms that are growing longer to the downside, signaling that selling pressure is getting stronger. In setups like this, the probability of following the trend until a valid reversal signal appears is usually quite high. So I decided to take a sell trade, going with the flow of the current trend while still applying proper risk management. Let's see how it plays out. Profit again. Now let's open the market again. Okay, I'm taking a buy position here because the uptrend is still well maintained. Notice how the price continues to move above the green trend line that we've marked as trend line. Each time the price touches this line, it bounces back up with strong bullish candles. On top of that, the nearest resistance area has just been broken by these candles, indicating strong buying pressure in the market. This kind of setup is usually the perfect moment to enter a buy trade and follow the trend. Let's see how it plays out. The price keeps climbing as expected, and yes, profit. Now let's open the market again, reanalyze, and prepare for the next opportunity. Okay, I'm entering a buy position because this candle has just touched the red line, which is currently acting as support. This line has successfully held back price drops several times before, so there's a high probability the price will bounce back upward. This setup gives us a good opportunity to buy, aiming to catch the bounce from the support area. Let's see the results. Okay, profit again. Now, let's open the market again and find a good market to trade. Okay, I'm entering a sell position here because there's a crossover on the moving average indicator. The faster MA line has crossed below the slower MA line, which is usually an early signal of a potential trend reversal from bullish to bearish. This crossover also happens after the price failed to break through the resistance area, increasing the probability of a downward move. With this confirmation, I decided to enter a sell trade, aiming to follow the potential trend change. Let's see the results. Okay, I'm taking a buy position here because there's a crossover on the MACD indicator. The MACD line has crossed above the signal line, which is usually an early indication that bullish momentum is starting to build. This crossover also occurs below the zero level, increasing the potential for a trend reversal to the upside. On top of that, the last candle shows strong upward pressure, giving extra confirmation to enter a BY trade. Let's see how it moves. Okay, profit secured. Now I'm going to open the market again to look for the next opportunity. But if the market conditions don't look good, I'll end today's trading session, guys. Remember, in trading, we need to know when to keep going and when to stop. Alright, that's it for today's trading session, guys. The market is starting to become unstable, and my balance has already grown significantly today, meaning my daily target is reached. Trading isn't about how many trades you take, but how disciplined you are in managing both opportunities and risks. Now, if you want to learn this strategy step by step and get accurate trading signals every single day, you can join VIP. In VIP, I'll share daily market analysis that I personally tested, clear entry and exit signals, proven risk management techniques, live trading sessions so you can learn directly from real-time markets. So, if you're serious about growing as a trader and achieving consistent results, the link to join VIP is in the description. Let's learn together and profit together.